The invitation to stillness. Take a deep breath and settle into this moment. Let the weight of the day begin to soften at the edges as you prepare for a journey unlike any other. Tonight, we drift away from Earth's noise, leaving behind the familiar pull of gravity and the constant hum of life. Our destination is a place of profound quiet, a destination so distant it defies everyday comprehension. The Andromeda Galaxy, resting 2.5 million light-years from where you are now. This immense distance is not a barrier, but our container for deep rest. It is a vastness so complete that every worry, every lingering thought can be released into its silent expanse. There is no rush, no urgency, only the slow, patient drift through the cosmos. As you exhale, feel yourself beginning to unfurl, your awareness gently expanding to meet the scale of the journey ahead. The journey itself is the destination, and the distance is your invitation to absolute stillness. Leaving our solar system, feel a gentle, effortless push away from the familiar blue marble of Earth. Watch as the intricate patterns of clouds and continents soften into a single beautiful sphere, a precious oasis of life receding into the cosmic dark. You drift past the moon, its silent, cratered surface, a testament to billions of years of quiet observation. Notice the complete absence of sound, the perfect tranquility of this celestial companion. Now, we move beyond the planets in their orderly, timeless orbits. Jupiter's great red spot, a storm centuries old, spins silently. Saturn's magnificent rings, countless particles of ice and rock, catch the distant sunlight like a cosmic jewel. One by one, these worlds slip past, each a unique world with its own story, now becoming points of light in our wake. The sun itself begins to shrink, transforming from the brilliant source of all life on Earth to a bright, steady point among the countless other stars. Its light, which warmed your skin just moments ago, is now just one star among many. We are crossing the boundary where humanity's farthest-reaching spacecraft, the Voyager probes, journeyed. They carry golden records with greetings from Earth, a message in a bottle cast into the ocean of space. And now, we pass them, venturing into the true interstellar darkness. The space between stars is not empty. It is filled with a thin haze of gas and dust, the raw material of future suns. But to your senses, it feels like a vast, velvet blackness. The growing sense of scale is humbling. The quiet is absolute. With each passing moment, the solar system becomes a memory, and the true depth of the galaxy opens before us. The history and the darkness. As we float through this profound darkness, it is a darkness filled with history. For most of human history, the object we are journeying towards was a mystery. Early astronomers, gazing up at the night sky, saw it only as a faint, fuzzy smudge in the constellation of Andromeda. They called it the Great Andromeda Nebula, believing it was a cloud of gas within our own Milky Way galaxy. The true nature of this smudge was one of astronomy's greatest debates. In the early 20th century, a pivotal discussion known as the Great Debate took place. Astronomers argued whether these spiral nebulae were simply part of our Milky Way, or if they were island universes, separate galaxies far beyond our own. The question was fundamental. Was our galaxy the entire universe, or was it just one of countless others? The answer was hidden in the light of the stars within that faint smudge. The mystery was solved by Edwin Hubble in the 1920s. Using the powerful Hooker telescope at Mount Wilson Observatory, he identified a special kind of star within Andromeda known as a Cepheid variable. These stars pulse in a very specific rhythm, and their true brightness is directly tied to the pace of their pulse. By measuring how dim they appeared from Earth, Hubble could calculate their actual distance. The result was staggering. Andromeda was not a nearby nebula. It was another galaxy entirely. Millions of light years away. In a single moment, our understanding of the universe expanded exponentially. The Milky Way was dethroned from its central position, becoming one galaxy among billions. Imagine these discoveries happening while you float here in the silence. The patience required for such cosmic revelation mirrors the patience you can offer yourself now. The light reaching Hubble's telescope had been traveling for millions of years, just to deliver its message. There is no hurry in the cosmos. There is only the slow, patient unfolding of truth. As we continue our drift, carried by the momentum of this historical realization, know that you are moving through a space that has witnessed the expansion of human understanding itself. The Milky Way receding. Now, turn your attention gently behind you. Watch as our home galaxy, the Milky Way, begins to diminish, its brilliant band of starlight softening into a more distant glow. Its spiral arms, which from within seem to cradle the entire sky, now reveal their true structure. A vast pinwheel of light containing hundreds of billions of stars. Within those arms, billions of souls are sleeping, living, their own worries and joys playing out on countless worlds. Yet from this vantage point, all that activity is silent, condensed into a beautiful, swirling abstraction. The emptiness between galaxies is a different kind of space. It is not the relative closeness of stars within a galaxy, but a true, profound void. The distance grows, and with it, a deep sense of peace. You are now traversing an expanse so great that light itself takes 2.5 million years to cross it. The light you see from Andromeda at this very moment left its stars when early humans were first walking the Earth. Every concern you carried from Earth is now separated from you by this immense gulf of time and space. The argument you had, the task you haven't finished, the noise of the city, it all exists in a different epoch now, impossibly distant and small against the cosmic backdrop. There is a profound comfort in this perspective, in recognizing your own smallness within something so vast. It is not a feeling of insignificance, but rather a release from the burden of carrying the weight of your world alone. The universe is ancient and immense, and it continues its slow, graceful dance, whether we fret or not. Allow that truth to settle into you. Feel the freedom that comes with letting the scale of the cosmos hold your worries for a while. You are a conscious witness to a grandeur that transcends any single moment, any single life. The Milky Way is now a beautiful smudge of light in the distance, a reminder of home, but also a testament to the journey you have undertaken. Approaching the great spiral ahead, the faint smudge that was the Andromeda Galaxy begins to transform. It grows, not with speed, but with a slow, inevitable grace, resolving from a hazy patch into a magnificent structure. You are approaching a giant. Andromeda is larger than our own Milky Way, a sprawling spiral containing an estimated 1 trillion stars, held in a gravitational embrace that has lasted for billions of years. Its core glows with the soft light of countless ancient suns, while its majestic arms, traced by dark lanes of dust and bright blue clusters of young stars, spiral outward in a cosmic dance. Look closely, and you may perceive its small companion galaxies, the M32 and M110, dancing in slow gravitational orbits around their massive parent. This entire system is in motion on a scale we can barely comprehend. Andromeda and the Milky Way are on a collision course, destined to merge in about 4 billion years. They are hurtling towards each other at over 100 kilometers per second. Yet from your place of stillness, this cosmic urgency has no meaning. The timescale is so vast that the collision is a slow, graceful ballet that will unfold over hundreds of millions of years. None of this future drama touches your floating form. There is no sensation of movement, only a gentle arrival at the threshold of this silent giant. You do not need to enter the galaxy. You have reached your destination simply by arriving at its edge. You are a visitor from a faraway island, finally gazing upon the shores of another continent. The sheer number of stars is humbling. 1 trillion possibilities for worlds, for life, for quiet, unobserved evolution. You are suspended at the edge of it all, a silent observer to a reality that has existed for eons. Finding absolute stillness. Here, at the galaxy's threshold, you find absolute stillness, suspended in the perfect balance between two worlds, the receding Milky Way and the approaching Andromeda. There is no pull in any direction. There is no need to enter and no need to return. You are held in a moment of perfect equilibrium, a point of cosmic rest that exists outside of time. This is your moment to simply be, to absorb the profound quiet and the immense scale. All the stories, all the history, all the light years of travel have led to this simple, deep peace. Let your breath settle into the rhythm of the universe itself, slow, patient, and eternal. If this journey through the vastness has brought you a sense of peace, consider subscribing to this channel to continue your exploration of cosmic rest. May your sleep tonight be deep, and your dreams be as vast as the galaxy before you.